Alright, guys. Give me a second here. What's going on, Kevin? If you have you on, the first one in. Love it. Alright, so 7/17. Day 154. It's my favorite part of the day. Change this. Boom, boom. Documents. 26.6. There it is. Boom, done. Alright, and then today was 26. Well, we still have some unrealized profit. What's going on, Kayla? Erica? Punch? What's going on? 26.2K. And then big runners today were SALM, IBIO, and then RMBL. We'll go with that. Just one more. We'll go with one more. VRNA. Alright, save that. Cool. What's going on, Ala? Code, Daha. What's going on, Dan? Alright, we'll set this up here. Good to have you guys on. Good to have you guys in. Let's go ahead and post here really quick. I am live going over today's trading day of 26.2K ending the week over. Post that. Alright, and then we're gonna go trading floor. Boom. Options. Boom. There's that. Small caps. Boom. Alright, that way you guys all know. And then if you guys would like to subscribe to the channel, you guys would see me come on every day. What's going on, Vera? Dr. Willis, Tim. Alright, so I'm gonna set this up quick. Get this going on social media. Again, hopefully you guys had a great trading day. And a great trading week. That's for sure. I'm live going over today's trading day. Alright, VRNA. IBIO RMBL. Boom, boom, boom. And last one would be, it's another big one. What was another big volume trade today? ALNA. Alright, there, that's posted. Alright, guys, Soberless Notes, what's going on? Navi, Alberto, Classic, what's going on, everybody? Kind of let everybody trickle on in here. NKLA, man, I wanted one more low before I went long on that one. Ah, that's tough. That is tough. I wanted to go one more long, or one more tick to the downside underneath 38, and I didn't get it. That's alright, though. You just got to move on. But hopefully you guys had a great trading day, a great trading week. Definitely a solid week for me. You know, coming off of vacation, I keep forgetting that I was on vacation, but coming off of vacation on, you know, I came back from vacation Sunday night. I flew in at 10:15, and then I ended up, once I flew in, you guys heard a lot about my turbulence. Might be good at trading stocks, but turbulence and me I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan on a plane. I'm not in control. What's going on, Diego, Chana, Alan, Tristan? What's going on, guys? But nonetheless, we got through it. I went to bed about 11 that night, and then once I got through it, like I said, I went to bed, woke up, and traded, and NBY was the big gapper, and I was loaded in that one for the past 2.5 weeks now. I got lucky with the news. Didn't sell it properly, but still made about 190,000 on that day, which is a great way to come back from vacation. And then every day this week we've been green. Let's see. Let's go back and look. So, 190,000 was both in inherited IRA and in my challenge account. SFETs. I think there's news on SFET. Yeah, there's some kind of news or something. But let's see. So in my challenge account, we did 143,000 on Monday. We can just scroll through all my recaps. 143,000 on Monday. On Tuesday, we did. Let's see what the recap is. $20,587.97. Wednesday, we did a final of $36,442.93. And then, And then Thursday, we did $40,625.42. That's my total profits on E-Trade. And then today, we're up $26,178.01. I'm still up about I think we're up about 6 more thousand on the day, 5 or 6 more thousand on the day, unrealized gains. So we'll see. We'll see what happens with that. But yeah, so it's been a crazy week. And let's kind of go, what's going on, Alfred? All right, so let's go over today's trading day. I know a lot of you guys are Friday. There's not that many people on, but that's okay because you guys are the ones that are grinding it out, spending the time. Let's see here. So let's go ahead and go over the first trades of the day here. So we had right here, we had NBY. I actually took a loss on, if you look on NBY, in 157, and then I believe I got out. Or I bought some more. No, I must have. Yeah, I bought some more. Where did I sell NBY? We're not gonna. So APT, another good day. I was long 10,000 shares at 1916 on APT. I longed 1,000 shares of MRNA 83.95. I got out of APT all 10,000 shares at 1966. Or no, I bought more APT at 1966. Oh, I got out on APT from 1916 at 1953. Bought back in 1966. And I stopped out. I played it multiple times. And then APT, you can see me scaling. I bought more APT, and then you can see me scaling 1,000 shares at a time. I think it was 10,000 shares at 2011, 2009, 2005, 2013. Okay, so nice little win there. APT again, some more scalps. I nailed this trade on APT. I'm taking entries there, and then I started scaling at 2031. MRNA I played multiple times today and nailed. So in 83.95. Let's see, is that right? Yes, I bought 83.95. And then I actually stopped out 1,000 shares. So not that big a size at $83 even. NTNX, small scalp, could have been a bit much bigger trade. MRNA. So in 2,000 shares MRNA, in 5,000 shares, 85.70, out 78.74, 2,000 shares, and the rest out 86.94, 86.81, 86.78. Nice winners there. Basically, APT and MRNA were my big wins of the day. I really screwed up APT though. The last trade I made, man, I lost a lot of money on. And I was up as much as I think today. I was up, I was up more than I ever had been middle of the day all week, except for obviously Monday. And on APT, it really screwed my mindset up, and I felt like I was getting in too many trades, but I did it anyways. On APT, I started longing 2077, 2079, and you can see me stop out my shares at 2027, 15,000 shares. I got in way too much size, and in that one trade, I lost $10,000. Kind of brought my confidence down. But I started to grind back. Hertz I made a little win on with a big size position. I could have taken some off at 153, 154, 155, but I didn't. Only made 2 cents a share on that one. RMBL was a nice $5,000 or $6,000 winner. I had 3,000 shares of RMBL. 2407 and 2482 ads, and then 2629 and 26188 were my scales. And that's basically it. I played IBIO multiple times as well, kind of screw those trades up. But what's going on, The Real Dr. Miami? Good to have you on, man. Other than that, though, hopefully I had a green day. But other than that, really just try to just maintain my rules throughout the day. You know, it's easy to get away from my rules. All green today. Love it, man. Love it. It's easy to get away from my rules. IBIO, I want you guys to watch it into next week. This one really looks like it's setting up. And it's breaking out into 52-week highs. So it'll be interesting to see this one into next week. Is it you know, I don't know if it's worth you know, holding overnight. It's tough to say. I mean, I really do think if there is no offering, it could gap. But the thing is, will it have an offering? No one really knows. It's a bio stock, and bio stocks tend to have big offerings. All green today, Real Dr. Miami. Good to see it, man. I appreciate the shout-outs today. I can't wait to hear back from you on all the reviews from you and anybody else who that you know you've in your community there at work, how they're doing, and even how your son's doing. So I look forward to hearing back from that. And yeah, so today was definitely a great trading day, a great trading week, and you know, you just got to be blessed, guys. I mean, hopefully you guys are trading well. Hopefully you guys are learning a lot from me. Hopefully you guys are getting a lot out of the new rooms that we made with the student guide rooms. For those of you guys who don't know, if you buy the video course, you have access to a separate room to only the video course students have access to in terms of reading it. Oh yeah, let me go over the RMBL trade one more time. So RMBL, I saw this one. I saw this have a huge rise up here on RMBL. You can see this thing just ripped and ran. But then it came all the way back down, and I actually saw this bounce here, and I got long with an average of, I think, let's go back and look here. So my average RMBL after us, so 2407 was my ads. 2407, I thought it was 2399 was my average though. No, no, I had 3,000 shares, so where's my first 1,000? RMBL, where are you, buddy? Where are you? Okay, so I bought 4,000 shares. Oh, no. I didn't buy it. It was rejected. I think I got filled 1,000 shares on that rejection, though. I must have. Yeah, I must have. But nonetheless, RMBL, my average, I swear, was 23.99. It says 2407 here. But anyways, 2407, let's say my average was, even though it's only 2,000 shares, I sold 3,000 shares. So I think that's right. But RMBL, I had, and I almost tried to play NKLA after hours, but I got long right in this dip here. Okay, I was risking off basically that wick at the bottom there with a huge sell-off and at the close. Shorts got a cover. I was just looking for a scalp, and that's exactly what I got. Longed it here, and then once we got the breakdown here, I longed it into that, and then I sold off literally right into these candlesticks at 24.29 and 24.18. The highs on those candlesticks were like 26.35, so I almost nailed the top there on that first scale. So that was a nice $5,000 or $6,000 winner, I believe. And then that was a nice after hours trade. And then IBIO is basically just, you know, AIM I made a nice little scalp on. APT I've been killing the past couple days. I'm still long in my inherited IRA on that one, on APT. So other than that, if you guys are interested in learning my okay, so what'd you say, Diego the Bull? I can tell you're very active, so I'll answer your question. You're in the student guide room. I know you're very active. Can you put the RMBL chart on another area because your face covers that? Oh, yeah. I can do that. Of course I can. My bad, man. Yeah, so I got long, recap that. I got long in here on these wicks, risking off that low. and then I added into my position right there and scaled off at 26.29, which is literally almost a high day there, and then 26.18, literally right on this candlestick before this flush off. Kirkland in the house. Good to see you on, Dine. Good to see you on, man. Other than that, guys, IBIO continues to grind up. One that I continue to watch. SALM. Yeah, so other than that, guys, if you guys are interested in getting my course, I recommend getting it today for the weekend so you can study. Those of you guys who are interested in learning my strategies that have helped me turn 1,000 into now over $2.4 million. I think it's like $2,400,000 and roughly $30,000. We're almost halfway done with the $5 million challenge. That's incredible to say. All started from $1,000, guys. Those of you guys who have been with me since the very beginning, yes, I have turned $1,000 into now close to $2.5 million in 154 business days. I have been on here every day showing you guys all my trades from the very beginning. You can go back and look. I have it fully verified on TraderView. I have show you guys all my prints, all my timestamps, everything on YouTube. I show you guys. So we're closing in on halfway to that goal. If you think that you don't have enough money to trade, I am here to prove you wrong. I've so far turned $1,000 into just under $2.5 million in 154 business days. So don't ever give up, guys. I'm here to motivate. I'm here to inspire. I'm here to show you guys that these things are possible. And I know that a lot of you guys might be new on here. But, you know, I have a ton of free resources in my room. Just educate yourself, guys. It doesn't have to be my guide. It doesn't have to be my course. You know, do I think it's probably the best thing you could do in terms of educating yourself? Well, of course. I put over a year and a half of my life into that, okay? You also get access to a room full of like-minded people. If you buy my course, you also get access to this room right here, and you guys all type with each other. So every person in this room has bought my course, okay? Bought my course. And so you guys are all like-minded people. You guys are willing to put your money where your mouth is. You guys are the ones that are willing to put in the time to study, to learn my strategies. You know, what you're doing basically when you're buying my course is learning all my strategies that's helped me do this from the very beginning till now. All my overnight strategies, my swing trading strategies, my momentum strategies, my multi-day swing trading strategies. All the questions you guys have asked me, how to make a watch list, my story, where I started, how I've never had a full-time job. I worked for Domino's. I've worked for Washington National Golf Course guest service, and I've done landscaping, but I've never had a full-time job. I dropped out of college 3 years in. I had about a year to go because I saw so much potential in the markets, because I started doing good, and I've never looked back since. And now I'm here to be a teacher, a mentor to you guys to hopefully create successful students. And, you know, once this COVID's over, I want to do a meetup with a lot of you guys. I'd like to do a Normac trading meetup. That'd be really fun. Jay Romo, he says the course works. I know a lot of you guys have bought the course and have loved it. Tons of testimonials on it. If you're interested, check that out. But again, if you want access to the Video Series Guide Student Room, which is for you guys only, and it's basically for the, I would say it doesn't have to be the more talented, but most likely the more talented traders. You guys have that room. If you guys are looking for a link to my course, click the link in my Instagram bio, and then you're going to go to products, and then you're going to see video series, and that's what I'm talking about. I'll just put the link there. But I recommend, if you're interested in learning my strategies, do it today or tonight. That way you have access to, you know, it's a one-time payment. You have access to this forever. But at the end of the day, you have all weekend to study. You don't have to worry about trading at all. So feel free to check that out. Other than that, guys, that was my trading day. Nothing too crazy. Let's see what IBIO is doing. Nothing too crazy, nothing too insane. You know, it's basically just been, well, I mean, it was a crazy week, but, you know, I was starting to casually, you know, build myself into about, you know, I would say I can comfortably do, you know, 20 to 30,000 a day, I think right now, comfortably. So it was a good week. You know, I continue to push myself to be better. You know, I never settle for anything. I'm always pushing to be better. Today I took some notes on myself and what I did right, what I did wrong. This whole week I've been harping myself to make sure I do better. You know, I made a lot of mistakes this week. But I do that because I never am okay. I never settle. I'm never okay with how I do. I always have to push. I compliment myself by paying myself. Um, I pay myself once I. Oh, actually, I don't know if I'm gonna pull my profits. Now that I thought about it, I might raise my buying power going into next week to $350,000 because we hit that $2.4 million mark. But every time I raise my goals and my challenge from 2.4 to 2.5, 2.6 to 1.9, every 100,000, I pull 75,000, and then I raise my buying power up 25,000. So it's like a way of proving to myself that I'm doing good, paying myself, but then at the same time raising my buying power and creating more opportunity for myself to hit my P&L goals. I want you guys to always think percentages, though. Always think percentages. Never think P&L. I just think P&L because I have a goal. I have a $1,000 to $5 million goal by the end of this year, and that's my goal. It's a big goal, but so far I'm on pace and easily on pace, and I continue to want to do bigger and bigger goals as I get better in trading. I haven't stopped my $1,000 to $25,000 account challenge. I mean, I have stopped it, but I want to get back towards it. I'm just focusing on my 1K to $5 million challenge. There's been so much opportunities in this market. I don't want to miss out on anything. So, other than that, guys, please smash the like button. Just freaking pound it. Show me appreciation. Don't be afraid to just keep clicking that like button. Also, subscribe to the channel. Click the icon to if I make new videos, and I look forward to seeing you guys next week, okay? You're truly inspiration and ambitious, dude. I really enjoy following your progress. I appreciate that, man. What trading app do you use? I use Webull, E-Trade, Vanguard, Thinkorswim. What do I recommend? Webull or E-Trade for day trading, Schwab or Vanguard for longer-term investing. What else did you guys say? Does the course have 50% off? No 50% off. That's like very, very, very rare. I tell you guys that, and I'd be very adamant about it. It's very rare to get 20% or 50% off, so maybe like once a year. All right, guys, if at all, or maybe twice a year, best case scenario. I don't know, but all right. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Click the icon to if I make new videos. Cheers, team. Serious profit. Have a good weekend. Good to see you on as always. The real Dr. Miami, if you're still there, good to see you on as always. Rosenberg, go Hawks. All right, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. Click the icon to if I make new videos. Cheers, team, and go Hawks. Thanks, Serious.